This is Slush 100, where founders rise. VC's back vision, one claims the prize.
Okay.
What do you mean, okay?
I mean, it's cool, but I don't even know if I can apply.
Well, are you founded in 2022 or later?
Yeah.
Do you have less than 2 million euros in funding?
Yep.
Based in Europe or North America?
Yeah.
Then you're in.
But I've never even pitched before.
That's not a problem.
Why?
They'll teach you. They'll teach you everything from how to organize those meetings with VCs to pitching them, everything you need to know.
Okay, VCs?
What about VCs?
Well, how do I even know what they want?
You're so predictable.
Show us how you're contributing. Show us how you're working on the most important problems that Europe's facing today.
Tell us about the why. Why does it matter? Why are you committing your time to this? And why should we?
I want to walk away thinking that's the team. Nobody else on this planet will be able to build this company like you. If I have that feeling, I think there's a high chance you'll win.
Make us dream of a future that you want to build and that we want to be part of.
Okay, I'm starting to feel it. But what if I don't win?
That's okay.
What do you mean? What about the €1,000,000?
What about the visibility, the connections to top founders in the ecosystem, the behind-the-scenes meetings, the feedback, the reputation?
Okay, stop. Just 2 more questions. 1, where can I apply? And 2, how do you know all this?